So good afternoon to all of you. Today, this is the session. In that session, we will learn how to download Power BI in our system. First step to download Power BI, we have to open Microsoft Store, and from Microsoft Store, we have to search Power BI Desktop. Then click on Install. It will be installed. Otherwise, if we go to that particular URL or Microsoft site, we can download Power BI Desktop from Microsoft site also. So we are going to Google Chrome and typing Power BI download, Power BI download, and from the Microsoft site, we have to go to product option, Power BI Desktop, then see download. There we have to choose the language to English, then click on download. We have to choose either of the following. First one for 32-bit, second one for 64-bit. So how to know which version we have to download? According to the compatibility of our system, we can download it. If that is advanced CPU, so we need to download 64-bit, but I will suggest to download 32-bit. That will be supported most of the systems. Click on 32-bit and click on download. It will take few minutes, 2 minutes to download. After downloading, we have to install the downloaded setup. Already we have downloaded Power BI in our system. That's why I need to explain it from the downloading PPT. So then we have to click on download and download option. Now we have to double click on the setup file, then click on next. Then we have to accept the license agreement, then click the next button, click on install. It will take few minutes to install in our system. After installing, it will show finish button. If we click on finish, the final interface of Power BI will be opened, similar like that. Thank you. This is the steps how to download Power BI in our system.